Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share my experience about installing Jira on server. I'm in Ubuntu server or whatever the Linux distro used. So before go that, let's talk about something pricing, technology, and official documentation, and some other things that before installing Jira that need to make you sure that you managed. So there are two kind of pricing in Jira. One is cloud and another is self-managed. Self-management, you are going to install Jira on your server and managed by you. You need to buy a license from them. First 30 days may be free, then you're going to pay it for that. So you have 10 user, then the pricing will be $10 for server. It is on time and 25 and it will increase as per. So let's talk about 10 user. So this is on time payment. And cloud, you don't need to think anything about. If you use cloud, they will manage everything by them. But this is not on time, this is monthly. So if you have a server and you are going to manage Jira by yourself, then you can use this. So actually Jira is using Java and Tomcat server or something. You can explore in internet, so I don't go over that. And there is official documents how to install Jira. So before that you need have a server that is fully new, I think not even used. If you want to install Jira on a server that already have different Apache and everything in its install, that will be little bit complex to you to manage or merge between them. So for if you are going to manage other service alongside with Jira, then before installing Apache, you need to install Jira. Then it will be easy to manage the other service. So if you are going to use Atlassian all product on your server, so choose a blank server and a VPS server that you have a root access and install the Jira first there, and other service Apache or everything panel you can install there. So that is the question. So first have a VPS server, there is nothing installed here, is fully blank. Actually it's a bit large server or 15 GB RAM, 2 GB swipe. So let's make a drive mkdir resource just to make sure that everything is on same folder. So for that you need to download Jira. So Jira software, this software Jira, we're going to use Jira software, not Jira code. Try it free. Jira software. Okay. Next. Host your own server. I'm going to host my own server. So here say uh, Atlassian Jira core. Now we're going to use Jira software. So you don't know what is the version. So go to this page and inspect this a little bit, not tricky, something. Copy this and wget. Okay, that is downloaded. It's almost 368 megabyte size. So now we are going to follow the instruction by them. So we're going to use Jira software CISMOid. Let's copy this. CISMOD AOX Atlassian tab. It should be coming. Okay. Now run this command. Sorry, we don't know what is the version. Let's tab it. Okay. This will install Jira on 8.0.2 on your computer. Let's enter. So here is the important thing: express installation, custom installation, and upgrade the existing Jira installation. So this is the important. If you upgrade your installation, so definitely you have to choose three. Is express installation is by default what the setting provided by Jira that will you, and custom installation you can change port or etc from that. So we can go with two custom installation where the installation should be installed. So I choose this folder. Okay, it enter, and location for Jira data. Okay, here is the important thing: use different port HTTP. So by default Jira use 8080 port and control 8005. uh, Basically 8080 port is very important. If you are going to install different kind of software, they can tell you to use 8080 port. So we're going to change the port. So for recommended, we're not use the recommended value, we use the custom port. 2, let's give port 8080 to 8 on 00, and 8005 to 8200. Install Jira as a service. Yes, we're going to install Jira as a service. Install as a service. Yes. Enter. Okay, now it's reinstalling, extracting data. If you are confused about the port, so it doesn't make any problem if you choose different port or something. Rather, it may can help you to make a important port 8080 free that can you can use for different kind of software later. So it doesn't create any issue. It will take some time. Okay, start Jira 80. Okay, yes. So here I'm going to share another thing that it depends how your server is. If your server is like 1 GB RAM, or SSD, everything consistent, but you can't install Jira there. The minimum required Jira at least 2 GB RAM. And I use this VPS, not it's a shared VPS. I mean the CPU is shared, resource shared, so Jira will not perform better here. You need to choose you can choose a dedicated server where at least there is just 2 gig of RAM. You can you can manage Jira easily there. So yes, it's already installed. Install is complete. Rather give localhost, you need to put the IP here. So what is my IP? I use this. This is my IP address. 8100. We give the port. Sorry, this is not the things. Yes, this is the server. So everything we did that need to from the this terminal panel. So one thing I want to tell you, this is Terminus, a software used for this uh, SSH server command. You can use this as a free, or you can use also terminal from Ubuntu default or any kind of SSH putty. Okay, so set it up for me. No, I will set it up myself. So fast, when you are using at the first time, as there is a no database installed here, so you can choose built-in option here, and later you can migrate to different kind of MySQL, Postgre, or everything Oracle, that whatever you choose. This first time you can choose the built-in option. Here is already said that built-in database can be migrated to database of your own later, so don't need to worry about it. Go to next. It will take some time regarding to the server speed or everything, and something that my server is on Germany region and I'm installing it from Bangladesh, so there is a bit latency or everything that can be okay. Not sure. Yep, I think we're done. This is the most crucial part that you need to take care from this to last. I simply name it equal to Jira. That's not the problem. This is if you want to make this Jira as a private repository, private for your own self, then you can choose the everything as you are using your own server. So it is good to private mode. So this is the most important part for licensing. As you are using free, so you need to make sure that we're using the trial license. So generate the trial license. So I'm using my email address. I'm using Jira software, my server. Okay, generate the license. Confirmed. Yes, let's come. Next. Requested you to hang on at last phase. Let's give a name. No. This is the admin access, admin account access. So let's keep configure email letter. Okay, it is a part you can configure the email letter or now. as currently I have no email configured, email server is configured, so I will choose later. I'll try to make a video on how to configure email server for your own service or in industry with current technology as much as possible. So finished. So choose your language. No issue. This is come from my gravatar image. Okay, this is your panel. So you can import data or project action or something, everything, so I'm creating a new sample project, so I can everything, test project, cp, submit. Here we go. It is the agile board from Jira Scrum method of your own. So this is come Berlin as my server is in Germany, so I'm trying to update. No issue, can upgrade later. So this is the sample. I can explore, I can use everything, every possible things that Jira survive, Jira support here. So thanks for watching. One thing, extra thing, this is come from direct server IP 8080 port. You can make it from your domain or subdomain. So if I get good response from this video, I will make sure that I can create that video where you can change this to your domain name or subdomain name and access from, or I am going to, yes, I'll create a next video where you can use different kind of Apache server or other things in this same server installed here. Thanks for watching.